971 times 6 using the area model. We know that we need to draw a box that has 3 boxes for our 3 digits. Then we'll put 971 in expanded form. That would be 900 plus 70 plus 1, with our 6 on the side. We know for area we multiply length times width, so let's take our numbers down. And let's take our numbers over. And we know we're going to multiply. Now lots of students like to think that they can skip this spot right here and not write the equations down, but I've seen so many students make silly mistakes that way. Don't make that mistake. All right, let's start off in our first box. We'll go 9 times 6 and then add our 2 zeros, giving us 5,400. Then we'll go 7 times 6, add on 1 0, giving us 420. 1 times 6 is 6. Then let's take those and let's add those up on the side. 6 plus 0 is 6, 2 plus 0 is 2, 4 plus 4 is 8, and 5 plus nothing is 5, giving you 528. Now if you got that wrong, look and see where your silly mistake was that you messed up a little bit and focus on that for next time.